And here we're going to run a simple factor analysis. So we click on the factor and we're going to select principal components analysis. Again, we can now populate our variables across that we're interested in to determine how many factors are available within the data as Jamovi sees it. We're going to remove the rotation of Varimax to none. And we can see that Jamovi has found that there's a two-factor components analysis. But we want to also determine the extent to which the data is a good fit. So Bartlett's test here and the KMO measure are both important measures to determine the extent to which the data is a good fit within the model. The other important information that we want is the scree plot and the initial eigenvalues. And we can look at the different information here to tell us. The scree plot elbow here is suggesting that potentially there may actually even be a one-factor solution here if the factor is determined by the elbow. Or we can also look at the proportion of variance here. The majority of the variance in this model is explained by the first two factors, and adding a third factor does lift it up. We need to make some judgments about whether or not a two-factor solution is optimum in this case. We should also look at our component loadings, and we can see that some of our items are loading across more than one factor, and some of our questions are not actually loading at all. Some of our questions are loading negatively onto one factor, but positively under another factor. So you'd want to consider what these will actually tell us.